Okay, disclaimer. For the first 2 days of this vlog, I mostly just vlogged my outfit, but I do end up showing you more throughout my week, so just stay tuned for that. What's up, y'all? Oh, don't mind the messy broom. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do a fit check. It's the first day of classes and I actually got dressed, so let's do it. I'm wearing these pants. I got them from the thrift store. I like the color. I think it goes well with the outfit. I don't know, I'm not really like obsessed with this fit, but I was like, it looks kind of cute. It looks good on camera when I take pictures. So like this, I'm wearing my Reeboks, a white undershirt, and this H&M cardigan my sister got me. Necklace that my friend Manjita got me. Shout out Manjita. And then these earrings. That this is the mask I will be using to step out and do stuff. This is the complete fit, okay? But I just got packages. The mail center closes on the weekends and I forgot, so my package got here on Saturday, but I couldn't get it. So yeah, basically I just got hangers and body wash, soap to wash my masks. Okay, hand soap refill. Time to organize my closet. Good morning. It is day 2 of classes, so I'm keeping up my streak of getting ready. So I wanted to show my outfit. It's really simple, it's comfortable. I actually have I have a reason to go out today. I basically just have to get my COVID testing done. So Columbia's making us test twice a week this semester, just to ensure that everything's okay. So I test usually on Tuesdays and Fridays, so today's Tuesday. Today's outfit, like I said, is very casual. A necklace that I got off of like some random store online. And I'm wearing this sweatshirt. It's a black sweatshirt with the same pants I wore yesterday. And so I just wanted to hop on and say that, again, I only vlogged my outfit, but later on in the week I actually start showing my day. This video was originally going to be like a outfits of the week video, but I ended up talking way too much that I was like, this just needs to become a vlog. Like on Wednesdays when I decided this is going to be a vlog. So just, you're about to see the vlog, you know? So if you got this far, thank you. Alright, hi everyone. So it's like it's 11 now. I just finished my session at the library. I hope the freaking New York sounds aren't too loud. I did forget my camera in my dorm. I'll show you guys my fake advantage since there's not really folks out. Okay, so besides the jacket, let's ignore the jacket for now. I'm wearing Aline attire. Very great quality clothing, I would recommend. I'm wearing just some jeans I got from the thrift store, which you'll see later. My Reeboks. It's really nothing exciting, simple today because it's more of a study day. But yeah, I also have an appointment in like 30 minutes or something. I have a busy day today. I have to tutor today, so I have to do all that planning and stuff. So I'm just gonna head to my dorm. It usually takes away meals after like 2 hours because they have to bring out like the next meal essentially. But I came back right on time before they took it away. So I'll show you guys that because I realized I didn't show you guys what they give us for food. It's really good food in my opinion. I think that thankful for all the workers here at Columbia who made this transition so much easier for a lot of students, and I hope that a lot of students take that into account when they occupy spaces and stuff. Like today I cleaned my station in the library because that's what you're supposed to do, but I definitely have seen students not do it. And a worker came up to me and was like thanking me and stuff and was telling me that people don't do that, and I'm like it's annoying. But just make sure you sanitize your stuff if you're a student here. If you're not, just be cautious of how you occupy spaces during this time because, you know, it's better if we all just look out for each other. I love how this started as like a outfit video and I'm slowly turning it into a vlog because I don't know how to shut up. It's kind of embarrassing. I have class till 2, but I have a bunch of readings to do for my other classes, so. Everyone, so I'm currently at the library. It is 9:20. Alright, chapter 1, a tutorial introduction. class starts in almost 10 minutes, so I think I'm gonna keep reading until 10 and then probably watch a video or go on TikTok. I don't know, do something that isn't school related and then go to class. And by go to class, I mean log into Zoom. This class is scheduled to end at 11:25. It's 11:30. This man thinks this class ends like at 11:40, I think. I can't wait to go to my dorm and eat. Okay, so I know I'm switching off of like quality, but it's because my footage is importing right now. But I think my lights came in. I'm gonna pick up my package and then come back up and go to my class, and we're gonna put them up together. We got the lights. And I was right, nobody was there because it's close to last time. Smart. I do a horrible job. I forgot to show you my dinner, but I'm late because my reservation is at 5:45, 6, and I only reserved it for like 2 hours. So we're gonna make most of what I reserved my time for. Look, the trees are up. How exciting! How fun and fresh, right? Ugh, we love that for me. It's so weird being back on campus after obviously almost 9 months. Walking these things like at night, like bruh, this lion right here, this is my homie, bro. I took a picture with him on days on campus. That's how I met Shakria actually. I made her take a photo of me with that. The library I'm going to is like at the end of campus, but it's a nice walk. Alright y'all, it looks like my camera's gonna die soon, but I just finished the library. Honestly, I didn't get much work done. The thing is, I zoned out in the beginning of my CS class earlier today, and so I was like, I can't fall behind, so I just basically rewatched the beginning of lecture. This is one of my favorite libraries to go to my freshman year, just because it's really nice in terms of like how much natural lighting you get. I was really thinking that I was gonna do like OD work in there. I did some work though. I definitely did more work there than I would have gotten done in my room. Alright everyone, so you can tell I'm back in my dorm, but the mask is not off. And that's because I'm gonna go see my friend Manjita. Her birthday's tomorrow. But she's going home and make her something, so I wanted to give it to her before she left. So let's go do that. I'm gonna put on another mask on top just to be safe. Okay, so I made her this because I think it goes perfectly with the way that she decorated her room. Hope she likes it.
So, oh my god, I made you this.
Okay, you can
Whoa,
flip
it's
it.
already feels cool. Okay. Oh my god, what's in your face?
How she likes it, but
So beautiful.
something that I did not know before applying here is that other facilities charge you for laundry. Well, Columbia doesn't, so. Oh, I've dead school for like a week. That was wild to me. What? Time is going by fast. Hey! I'm with Cherry. I hope you can see her. Hold on. It's been a minute. No, wait. How long has it been though?
10 months? 11
10 and a half.
Because we left March, so 10 and a half.
10 and a half months. We had to delay, seeing each other until everything was good. By good, I mean that we both had just completed a certain amount of negative COVID tests, and we both felt comfortable to see each other. But yeah. But we're here!
Yeah, remember to stay safe.
Yeah.
For people back on campus.
Wear a mask. Clean up after yourselves.
Don't eat out every day, please. Like, you can take out food.
That's all I gotta say.
This is your sign to go out to the city and take pics with your friends.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the lot.
Everyone, again, back again. So we're walking to some bookstore. We're trying to figure that out. Be back on campus.
We made it.
Dining hall open today, and as y'all saw, we ate a bacon egg and cheese earlier. So we're gonna go see the dining hall, how it is. I might not vlog in there because I'm scared, but we'll see how packed it is. But yeah, the rest of the day is going to be me doing homework. It's just like time lapse of me doing homework. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, this week's video I mean. And if you did, make sure you give a thumbs up. If you liked me so much, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, so it's just gonna be much of me working and probably grabbing dinner later. But I'll see you guys in my next video.